No matter how much we train with security awareness, we still have the bad guys out there looking to get into our environment in any way that they can. And the easiest and most direct way for them to do that is via email. Hi everyone, my name is Howard Miller and I'm the Chief Information Officer at the UCLA Anderson School of Management. UCLA Anderson School of Management has between 2,500 and 3,000 students. We offer full-time MBAs, and we also support a staff of approximately 500 faculty and staff. I think the most frustrating attack that I faced as a CIO was spoofing. Our clients were complaining that emails that should have gotten through didn't get through, and it was just creating a lot of noise in our environment. When I saw the proof of concept that we did with Armorblox, every email that had caused us a lot of grief and anxiety in our environment over this 6-month period was caught and contained and quarantined by the Armorblox technology. So what's been really neat for me as a CIO is as soon as I get a junk email that looks suspicious to me, I forward it to the email box that we created, and right away that quarantines the threat for everybody else. And as soon as that happens, the magic starts. The number one and best thing about working with Armorblox has actually been the team. I would tell you that the support folks that we have been tremendous. They've walked us through every step of the process. Partnering with Armorblox was the best decision we've made in the last 6 months. I would highly recommend Armorblox to any of my peers, to investors, anybody who I can get out in front of who are asking me about neat new technology companies in this space. Armorblox is always the first answer that I have to that question.